What is a capsule wardrobe? Let's get right into the video. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Struggle to Success. My name is Zodi and I am a personal stylist, a style transformation coach from London, but I'm based in Croydon, and this channel is all about transforming your life through style, building your self-confidence and maximizing your wardrobe. So in today's video we're going to be talking about what is a capsule wardrobe. I did do a video like this before about maybe a year ago, and I just wanted to do an updated video on what is a capsule wardrobe, just to keep you updated with what things may have changed and give you some more information about how you can benefit from a capsule wardrobe. So let's get right into the video. So my capsule wardrobe has changed over the last 2 years. I think it was about 2 years now it's kind of changed. I did do a video on what's in my capsule wardrobe about 2 years ago, I think, and I'm going to do an updated video on what is in my capsule wardrobe now, because a lot of things have changed over here. My style's changed a little bit and I'm feeling more confident about my personal style now. And I'm not sure if you might have seen that I've did a few series about how to find your style, where I was talking about new year, new me, and I'll just go through the steps that I take with my clients to really help them identify their personal style. I think I need to do a few more videos on that one, but stay tuned for when those videos come out. So my capsule wardrobe has been with me for about, well, I had the idea of having a capsule wardrobe about maybe 7 years now, and the idea came to me was when I was watching a video from a YouTuber called the Anna Edit, and she was basically explaining what a capsule wardrobe is, and she was going by the 30x30 method. And I thought, okay, I haven't got 30 items in my wardrobe, I've got a lot of items in my wardrobe, but I want to see how this capsule wardrobe works. So I took the chance of looking at her video and really understanding what is the benefits from a capsule wardrobe and how it actually works to mix and match pieces together to create multiple outfits. So I wasn't obviously going to break down and really declutter my wardrobe down to 30 items, because I wasn't ready for that yet, and that is something that is really I struggled a lot when it comes to what I was buying. I was buying too many things. I had a wardrobe full of clothes, but then I still had nothing to wear. So when the capsule wardrobe came to my my knowledge, I was right in the chance to kind of get on that and think, I need a capsule wardrobe because I have nothing to wear all the time. I like being creative, so I wanted to see how this would work. So I obviously took the chance and just kind of played around with my outfits, trying to use one item maybe 4 different ways and see how I can style these pieces. And basically what the capsule wardrobe is that you have to really focus on the basics and staple pieces in your wardrobe and the essential pieces. So these are pieces that, and I'm going to put the link below of the pieces that you really need in your wardrobe in order to create a capsule wardrobe and to benefit from it really a lot, and to create these multiple and fantastic outfits that is going to last forever. So you need to have the basics and staple pieces in your wardrobe, and I'm going to put the list again down below. But you need to focus on having a blazer, the white t-shirt, the white shirt, the standard jeans, the striped t-shirt, the pleated skirt. You need to think of these essential pieces, and then when it comes to your personality and personal style, then you can add pieces here and there. So like, this is my personal style, but it's a blazer, but I do have a black one because it is an essential piece. Like this t-shirt is my personal style because it has the print on it. It's very edgy, which is my personal style, but then again I do have the basic t-shirts as well, like the white, the grey and the black, but these pieces add to my personal style. So you need to really think about what pieces add to your personal style. Are you edgy? Are you sophisticated? Do you like frills? Do you like ruffles? Do you like masculine pieces? Do you like colours? Do you like prints? You need to think about what is your personal style, and then when you have those pieces and those words, use them, buy them, and then incorporate it into your capsule wardrobe. So you can have about maybe 30, I say the minimum is 30 and the maximum could be whatever and how many you like, but you have to make sure that everything goes together, and each piece can be worn 4 different times. And if they can't be worn for 4 different times for 4 different occasions, then it's not needed in your wardrobe. And when it comes to things that is definitely versatile, it's definitely going to maximize your wardrobe. So you need to think about pieces that can be interchangeable and can mix and match together in order to create multiple outfits. So when getting creative with a capsule wardrobe, you need to think about the colors as well. Think about having fun with fashion. Think about, does the colors mix and match together? Do they work with my skin tone? Do these colors match together? If they do, amazing. If you really want to figure out what colors match, use Pinterest as an inspiration to think about what colors you can put together. And this is something that I do for my clients. I create them a Pinterest board and a mood board to help them pick out the colors that will suit their skin tone and be creative with their outfits. So this is something that I do before we get to the capsule wardrobe stage, is that I help them really identify their colors, really identify their personal style, and then this will help me create the outfits for them to be more creative and to create that capsule wardrobe. And having a capsule wardrobe, you can save so much money. It's all about understanding how to put the outfits together and how to really be successful at it in order to make it work. It's not about money, it's not about spending and buying more pieces, it's about thinking practical, thinking about your lifestyle, thinking about like what you do daily, think about what you do in the evening, think about what you do for work, think about everywhere you go for your lifestyle, even things at home, even having meetings, even playing with the kids, even going out for social drinks. You need to think about what you do daily in order to make your capsule wardrobe work, because it needs to work for your lifestyle. Your capsule wardrobe needs to work for your lifestyle. And if it doesn't work for your lifestyle, then what's the point of having a capsule wardrobe, and what's the point of having these things in your wardrobe? So you need to really think about, does these pieces fit my lifestyle? So if your lifestyle is more on the party scene, or if your lifestyle is more based around work, you need to think, okay, work is more important. Social life is obviously as well important, but you need to think about what you do every single day, and how often do you go out socializing? How often do you go out having lunch with friends? How often do you go out meeting the family? How often do you go out to concerts? How often do you go out to travel? Like, how often do you do that? Do you do that more than you work? If you don't do it more than you work, then your wardrobe needs to be focused on workwear and then adding pieces here and there that can be mixed and matched into your workwear as well, and work for your social life as well. So it's a lot that you really do need to think about. You need to really think about a lot of things when it comes to creating your individual, unique, personal capsule wardrobe, because you need to think about as well your body shape. Does everything you wear fit your body shape? Does everything you wear make you feel confident? And if it doesn't, what you have to do is start from the beginning. You need to declutter your wardrobe. You need to try everything on. You need to try and think, does these pieces fit me the way I want it to fit? And if it doesn't, then it's not needed in your wardrobe. If it's damaged, if it's unworn, if you've had it for years and you've not worn it ever again, then it's not needed in your wardrobe. And it's not needed for your capsule wardrobe, because you're not going to get the most out of that item because you don't wear it and you haven't worn it in the last 3 months, you haven't worn it in the last 6 months. So you need to really think about each item and think, how versatile is each item, and how many times am I going to wear this item? And am I actually going to wear these items in my wardrobe? Am I really going to wear them? So you need to be really strict with yourself, and you need to be really thinking about, is everything in my wardrobe is something that I'm going to wear? And if it's not, then you need to toss it, because I know this sounds a bit harsh, but it's really, really true. I did put a post on my Instagram about how to declutter your wardrobe successfully, and if you want to check that out, follow me on my Instagram at struggled to success stylist, and you can see that post where I've put it in the description box below. And I want to read out this quote for you. This is the quote that I put in my Instagram, but going down in the description in that post on my Instagram, it really gives you the steps on how to declutter your wardrobe successfully. The quote is, if you want to improve your life immediately, clean out your closet. Often it's what we hold on to that holds us back. So like I said, if you have pieces that has been in your wardrobe for 3 years, 5 years, 6 years, that maybe still has tags on, you just haven't worn it, why is it there? Like, why is it in your wardrobe? You're not wearing it, you haven't worn it again, but you need to think, well, when I come into your wardrobe, this is where we get creative. And if I think that this item particularly fits your lifestyle, it fits you, and I can see that you love it still, I would help you to create new ways of styling this piece. This is just gonna be the best thing ever because you already love it and I can help you keep it. But if you don't try yourself, like now, if you don't try yourself to find ways of styling this piece, like find new ways of styling this piece that you've had for years, try it, because you need to be more open-minded when it comes to finding your style. You need to be stepping outside your comfort zone. You need to be experimenting. You need to be looking at different inspiration from Pinterest, from trends, from Instagram, from bloggers, from YouTubers, and all this kind of stuff. There's so many things out there that can inspire you, even artwork, even what you see around you, like people, like your family, your friends, how they dress, how they portray themselves. This is going to help you with your confidence, and this is going to help you be able to get creative and be able to have a wardrobe that you've always dreamed of. And when I finally felt that I was confident and I was comfortable and I was happy with everything that I brought and everything, because I did buy a few things, but I did replace some things. I got rid of and I replaced it with something that was more my style. So do something like that as well. If you want to, once you get rid of something, replace it with something, like update that thing. If it's something that's really old-fashioned, update it to something more current, and it really uplifts your mood. It really gives you more confidence when it comes to your personal style. See, now my capsule wardrobe, I'm not too sure how much I have in there, but right now I'm the most confident, the most comfortable, the most empowered, the most happiest. I'm so much more creative. I'm so much more at peace with, yes, I have my personal style now. Like, this is my style. This is me. And I haven't, like, I've struggled, but it takes time. It's not an easy process. It does take time. If you really struggle with finding your personal style, with creating new outfits, get a friend over, bring family over, make it like a fashion show, make it a group girls day in, trying on clothes, seeing how you feel, be confident, have drinks, have food, make it a fun time to create new outfits, because this is really going to uplift your mood, make you feel more confident and make you feel more comfortable being around people that you socialize with. So try that. Let me know what you think of the video. Give it a thumbs up if you do like the idea of a capsule wardrobe, because trust me, it changes your life. It changed mine, so it can change yours. And this is why I help my clients. This is because it's helped me change my life. It's helped me change the way I think about my style. And this is why I help my clients, and I help them create their own capsule wardrobe that is really unique and identifiable for them. And yeah, it's very personal. So if you like the video, again, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to put your post notifications on when I launch another video, because this will let you know. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in another video. Bye.